Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. In this video about Eran and Short through some phone. Phone number 1. I gone to the office to check that my sister sent for our mother. Phone number 2. I am by cleaning the pool where studying grass. I am play. Phone number 3. I am responsible and load to study. Phone number 4. I am washing clothes every day. I like it a lot. Phone number 6. I am preparing a delicious food for my beautiful family every day. Phone number 6. Doing my university activity, I am responsible. I go shopping at the village store. Phone number 8. I am painting a house with my son, my family, my husband. Thanks for your attention.